Hello dear students, welcome to my English class. I am MD Alam Ghazi, Assistant Teacher English, Khunakabi Secondary School, Dakob, Khulna. I hope you are fine and safe. I am also well. Today I am going to take my class for the students of class 8. Dear students, are you ready for the class? Okay. Dear students, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, in the picture we see that some people are going to a room with the luggage and other necessary things. It seems to us they are going to visit from one place to another. If anyone wants to visit from one country to another country, they have to follow some process. They have to get passport, visa, departure card and final permission to travel. All these things are checked from a place. Dear students, can you tell what is the name of the place? Yes, Immigration Corner. So, our today's topic is going through immigration. Dear students, open your book, page number 63, Unit 6, Lesson 3. Here, we have some learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, SS will be able to read and understand the text, ask and answer the question, describe the picture. Dear students, look at the pictures. What do you see in picture 1? Yes, in picture 1, we see the cover page of a Bangladeshi passport. Dear students, can you tell why does a person need a passport? Yes, a person needs passport in order to travel. Dear students, what do you see in picture 2? Yes, in picture 2, we see that some people are waiting with the luggage and other necessary things before an office. This office is called immigration booth. Dear students, can you tell what do the persons do inside the immigration booth? Yes, the persons inside the immigration booth check passport, visa and other necessary things. Dear students, now we will learn some vocabulary. Departure. Departure means the act of leaving a place. Booth. Booth means a small place where you can do something privately. Counter. Counter means a long table on which goods or customers served. Scan. Scan means to look at every part of something carefully. Go through. Go through means to examine something carefully. Move towards, to change a place or position in a certain direction. Wait means to stay for someone. Smile. Smile means to express merriment. Dear students, now we will learn some synonyms. Word synonym. Departure, exit, booth, counter, travel, journey, alone, lonely, immigration, migration. Dear students, read the text attentively. Dear learners, now I am giving some multiple choice question to you. Choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answer in your script. First question. How long will Mita stay in Thailand? A. 5 to 8 days. B. 7 to 12 days. C. 6 to 9 days. D. 7 to 10 days. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is D. 7 to 10 days. Second question. What does the word visit refers to? A. Resign. B. Return. C. Tour. D. Upcoming. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Tour. Third question. What is the relationship between Mr. Mazharul Islam and Zara? A. Father and mother. B. Father and daughter. C. Uncle and aunt. D. Brother and sister. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. Father and daughter. Question number 4. Mrs. Zuma Islam is Zara's A. aunt. B. grandmother. C. mother. D. friend. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. mother. Question number 5. The immigration officer finds Mita's paper A. faulty. B. alright. C. defective. D. wrong. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. alright. Question number 6. In the migration, Mita stands in front of A. desk. B. gate. C. booth. D. door. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. booth. Question number 7. The word travel means A. watch. B. journey. C. limit. D. cooperate. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. journey. Question number 8. The immigration officer dashed Mita's passport. A. seized. B. threw away. C. checked. D. snatched. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. checked. Dear students, now I am giving some question to you. Answer the following question. First question. Where is Mita going? Mita is going to Thailand. Second question. What does the immigration officer wish Mita? Yes, the immigration officer wishes a safe journey to Mita. Third question. How long will Mita stay in Thailand? Yes, Mita will stay 7 to 10 days in Thailand. Question number 4. Where will they stay in Thailand? Yes, they will stay in a hotel in Thailand. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the class. All the best wishes to you. Thank you. Bye.